po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. As Chelsea said, my blog is Exquisite Beauty. It is the depth-rich hue that tells a story of resilience and strength, woven through generations. It is the elegance of midnight, the depth of the cosmos, and the allure of obsidian. My black is the grace of a timeless dance, the power of an unwavering spirit, and the sophistication of a well-told story. It embodies the richness of culture and the vibrancy of life and the strength of identity. My black is not just a color, it is the celebration of diversity, a testament to beauty in all forms, and a reflection of the soul's profound depth.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!